Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a Pixar character using ChatGPT. So if you ever wonder what you look like as a Pixar character, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can turn any selfie or photo into a Pixar-style character using ChatGPT. So let's just get animated. So what you need to for these transmissions is a clear selfie or portrait photo, ChatGPT, and also if you want to, you can add an additional AI image tool like Bing Image Creator, Leonardo AI, Ideogram, and others. And you can just open the ChatGPT apps on your phone or your computer, and then you can just write the prompt first. For example, turn my selfie into a 3D Pixar style animated character with expressive eyes, stylized hair, soft lighting, and a vibrant cartoon background. Okay, you can go with this, and if you want to, you can also ask ChatGPT to personalize it even more by describing your hairstyle, outfit, accessory, and background. And after that, you can just click on this image icon, click on photos, and then choose your selfie. Here, I'm going to find a photo, for example. Okay, so this is just an example. Let's say I want to use okay, this photos right here. You can tap on add, and once the photo is uploaded, you can just tap on this arrow to start generating the photo. Now you can just wait for the result, wait a few seconds to until the results came out. Okay, so this is it. This is the result for the Pixar style animated character. So this is the before, this is the photo, and this is the result of the Pixar style selfie character. So that's pretty much it. You can comment below what character style you got, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.